I'm ImKristalT, and today I'm doing a school assignment. For this assignment, we have to make something in the kitchen, like anything food related, and I don't know how to cook. The only things I know how to make is cereal, cheese quesadillas, and sticky rice. I'm making my favorite food, which is sticky rice. So let's go.
First, you're going to need a rice cooker. You can also use a pot, but I use a rice cooker. And you're going to need short grain rice. It's different from long grain rice. So first you pour the rice into a bowl. I'm using 2 cups of rice. You wash the rice thoroughly 4 or 5 times or until the water is clear. And then finally you fill up the water and let it sit for 30 minutes so that the rice can become fluffy. Oh wow, that took like 2 seconds. So after the 30 minutes, drain the rice and then put it into the bowl that's going to go into the rice cooker. For each cup of rice, you put a cup of water. So since I put 2 cups of rice, I'm putting 2 cups of water. After that, you just set it in the rice cooker and press cook, and that's basically it.
So I just set the rice in and you forget about it. I usually do like 30 minutes, but honestly, you just leave it there. So while we're waiting, I think it's time for a dance break.
And finally, it's done. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, I love sticky rice. You can say I fancy it. So yeah, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.